Hi guys, I got good news for you today. You do not have to do any writing for math, and there's no pictures or videos you have to upload. But I do want you to practice with our new vocabulary and comparing things in your house. So, thinking of like maybe at dinner time or lunchtime and look at the cup you have compared to the cup your mommy has. Are they the same size or are they different? Which one can hold more? Which one will hold less? So I'm looking at my table and I've got a coffee cup and my water bottle. When I look at the two, it's pretty clear. Which one do you think is going to hold more? The white one or the blue one? Yeah, I could say the white one or my water bottle holds more than my coffee cup. Or I could say my coffee cup holds less than my water bottle. So thinking of things in your house that you see. Maybe you have a baby brother or a sister and they have a bottle. Compare that to your cup. Which one holds more? Which one holds less? It could also be in a bowl. Maybe you're eating cereal or soup, even noodles in a bowl. Which bowl holds more? Which one holds less? So I want you to practice, start saying that and thinking of things in your house, because guess what? Tomorrow you will have to post you talking about it. Okay, I'll see you then. Bye guys.